Never make a beat.
Hey, what's up? This your girl, The Difference is back with another one. I'm here to show you guys how to do a protective quick weave foundation. Okay, you guys always ask me what is a glueless quick weave, how and why is it called a glueless quick weave. That's because we use certain things to protect the hair from the glue so that when you do take out your style, you don't have a lot of glue on your hair. If anything, you'll have about 5 to 10% of glue instead of like the whole bottle in your head. So stay tuned to how I do this install. Well, this is actually the foundation of how I do my half up, half down. So just check it out. So I braid in a circle, well, not a full circle, but I start from the bottom and work my way around so that this can be your anchor for when you are doing your half up, half down. I'm going to show you why later on in this video, why I began to braid the circle around the perimeter of the head, and then you will see why I did that. To me, this is the best method. I don't like just doing straight backs and then having to put miracle protection or whatever it's called that you guys put on the hair, that gel. You don't need no got to be, you don't need any of that. This is all you probably would need is just to oil her scalp if you're going to braid her down, and that's it. So right now you're actually watching me separate the hair. Normally I would do 2 to 4 braids, but her hair was pretty reasonable, so I just only did 2 braids. When it's extra thick and you feel like the 2 braids are going to be bulky, you will probably want to do 4. Once again, this is the glueless method. I'm going to show you step by step how I do the glueless method. This is just for a half up, half down. However, the method will still be the same if it was any other protective styles. Okay, so now that I am finished, you want to make sure you have a stocking cap, any color, and some black neck strips. The white ones will work, but they're too soft to me. So the first thing you want to do is have your client hold the neck strip. So you're going to put it on that last little area at the bottom where the hair is, and you're going to put the next one right above that. You just want to make sure that the braids are completely covered with the neck strips. Okay? Okay, you want to make sure that all the hair is covered up. If not, glue will seep through once again. So we're going to just put that stocking cap right over her head. We're going to make sure we pull her ears out just for, she won't be irritated. Now, me personally, I like to use the curvy long needles. It just curves better. You're going to start at the perimeter of the braid, the top of the braid where we did that U shape. Okay, you want to sew that around her hair where the braids is. This is how you separate the leave out, and this is how you actually mold the hair down so that the quick weave doesn't lift after so while. The hair that's being glued onto the cap will be totally fine. This is the best way possible. Everybody that sits in my chair tells me horror stories about how they glued their hair down, how it was just so much glue on their hair when they took their stocking cap out. It was so hard for them to shampoo out. This method, you probably will have a little bit of glue on the edges if you kind of apply it a little off the form, but you should be totally fine. Now, as you see what I am doing, I am cutting the excess stocking cap, and we're going to do the same when it comes to the neck strips. Please make sure you watch the client's hair. Make sure if it's any little strings, just make sure you pull them back so that you are not cutting their hair. Trust me, they know if they feel any string being cut of their natural hair. You feel me? But to each his own. We're actually finishing up this format here. This is a glueless form, okay? When I mean glueless, I mean that anything under this cap will not have glue on it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.